Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable grid in LibreOffice Writer document. So if you want to do it, you need to go to Tools on the upper side, and after that you need to go to Options. Remember that you can always use shortcut from your keyboard, Alt F12. So I click somewhere here to open it. And now options should be successfully displayed here. We need to open more settings for LibreOffice Writer, so I click on plus icon on the left side of these settings. And now I need to go to grid settings. Here we need to select this one option, visible grid. And now I recommend you to change horizontal resolution and vertical resolution to 0.1. The same values for horizontal and vertical. So I type here 0.1. And now we need to click apply button to make changes to our document. Now I click OK button, and how you see grid is visible here. So it's all for today. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.